Welcome to the video on how to sell products under grocery and gourmet foods category. Sellers must obtain an approval from Amazon in order to list products in this category. We want to make sure our customers can buy from any seller with confidence. The requirements for selling in this category display customer concerns about product quality, product branding, and customer safety. Let's take a look at the documentation required. You need to have a FSSAI license, and this license should be in your name or the company name. It should be valid for more than 2 months at the time of requesting for an approval. The scope field in the license should include all food products, the categories that you intend to sell, or both. The term proprietary food should be specified against the category if you are selling such products. Provide all 4 pages of your FSSAI license and also make sure to get the license renewed in advance before it gets expired. If you fail to do so, your listings will be removed until you get a valid FSSAI license. Your license number should be displayed on your Amazon storefront. Here's how you can update it in your account. Log into your Seller Central account, go to Settings and click on Your Info and Policies option. Click on About Seller. You can enter the valid FSSAI license number in this format and click on Save. Provide the list of products you are applying for an approval, details on the shelf life, storage temperature, and if the products are organic or imported. A declaration is required stating that the products you intend to sell on Amazon are in compliance with the provisions issued by the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India or Bureau of Indian Standard. If you are a reseller, you will need to provide valid purchase invoices. For imported products, a special check is conducted for images of the product. All sides of the product and packaging should be clearly seen along with any text visible on them. For organic food products, Certificate of National Program for Organic Production should be presented, or Certificate of Participatory Guarantee System for India should be given. Whereas for imported products, Certificate of Approved Organic Certification Body of that country or region should be presented. For chocolates, a declaration on your letterhead has to be provided mentioning the usage of gel packs while shipping chocolates so that it does not melt during transit. For dry fruits, a lab test should be carried out in a NABL accredited laboratory notified by FSSAI with scope of biological and chemical testing. Also, as per FSSAI Food Safety Standards regulations, few lab tests are required for dry fruits. On your Seller Central homepage, in the search bar, type Grocery and Gourmet Foods. Click on the Help page and scroll down to the Lab Test Parameters table to know more. For categories like condensed milk, standard grade skimmed milk powder, packaged drinking water, and packaged natural mineral water, a valid BIS certificate has to be provided. Listing and sale of temperature-sensitive food products is through an invite-only model at this point. Invited sellers are allowed to list in category post-physical verification of necessary licenses in accordance with the guidance provided in the Food Safety and Standards. Let's take a look at the listing requirements that the sellers have to follow. The listing quality on detail page should follow the grocery style guide for title, bullet points, product description, and images. Food products must have a minimum shelf life of 5 months for fulfillment by Amazon and 3 months for merchant fulfilled shipping method respectively. The minimum remaining shelf life of any product sold through e-commerce marketplace should be at least 30% or more when a customer receives the product. For FBA listing, you will require additional FSSAI license that should have Amazon Fulfillment Center as one of the additional place of business. Type FBA onboarding process in the search bar. On this help page, scroll down to learn about FSSAI license requirement for selling food products. If you can meet all these requirements, start applying by navigating to the Grocery and Gourmet help page on Seller Central and selecting Request Approval. Thank you and happy selling!